Hello everyone, my name is Liz from Laptop Battery Express, and I'll be showing you how to replace the battery in a Dell Inspiron 15-7559. Stay tuned until the end for a coupon code only for laptopbatteryexpress.com. First, what you'll need is a Dell Inspiron 15-7559 battery, the screwdrivers that come with your purchase, and a lid or container to put your screws in. You're going to want to remove the screws from the back. In this case, there's only one, and you don't even quite need to take it completely out as you remove the back. After taking the back off carefully, set it aside for later. You're going to want to remove all of the screws from the battery and put them inside your lid for safekeeping. After you have all your screws out, then you're going to take this tab that you could see here, carefully pull up the laptop, and then you will expose the wire and plug for the laptop. You're going to want to carefully unplug that and push it a little bit gently to the side. Then you should be able to tilt it up and then pull it up and out of the laptop. Set aside your old battery and then take your new battery and put it in, following the same steps as before. After you replace all of your screws and things are secure, replace the back of the laptop and screw that back in after snapping down all of the corners, like so. Then you should be good to go after you charge your laptop. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more.